Charming little place, isn't it? Except for the... You may think that you've had noisy neighbors, but believe me when I say that you've never had one like this. Meet the frog. He thinks he's the greatest thing that ever happened to singing. Except that he wasn't. Those in the swamp had tried everything to make him shut up. Stones, sticks, even divine intervention. Hallelujah. But nothing seemed to stop this guy from going on and and well, you get the idea. Nothing, that is, until she came. The nightingale, singing her beautiful melody. It captivated everyone in the swamp. Everyone, that is, except our little friend. He sat at a distance, dumbstruck. Had his singing days come to an end?
Well, we'll see about that.
The next day, as the nightingale prepared to sing, there came a... The frog introduced himself as a great person from the swamp, an all-around fancy man.
You liar.
He told her he would make her a great star. And how could the nightingale refuse? For in his words, he said,
Once I'm done with you, you'll reach new heights.
And now, this tale takes a twisted route. The Nightingale soon became a huge sensation, with the shows being sold out every night. And behind the curtains, the frog grew richer and richer. And his heart was filled with a joy, both sweet and bitter. At night she was the star, the apple of everyone's eye. But come morning and the scheming frog would make her practice. First reach that note high and then croon that note low. Over and over they went up and down the musical scale. And even though the poor nightingale grew tired and more sorrowful, the frog scolded her and pushed her to work even harder. Oh, the poor nightingale, afraid and nervous, sang. She sang and sang till she sang no more. Time went by and not much has changed in the swamp since the last time you came by. Although they say there is now a definite clink with every croak the frog delivers, as he sings once again unrivaled from dusk till dawn.